Hey everyone, I'm Lauren, this is BrainStuff, and you stink. I mean, okay, don't take it personally. Pretty much everyone stinks, and pretty much everyone sweats too. There's nothing inherently wrong with these natural bodily processes, but in modern society, we don't want to be at the whim of evolution. If you want to avoid excessive sweating, or if you're a naturally heavy sweater, then you probably use an antiperspirant. But what is this stuff, and how does it actually work? First, we need to make a distinction between deodorant and antiperspirant. Deodorant targets bacteria under your armpits, making the skin there too salty or too acidic to support the microscopic critters responsible for your body odor. Antiperspirants can cut down on body odor too, but they're primarily made to prevent sweating. You have two types of sweat glands all over your skin, though they're most concentrated in your underarm area. First, there are eccrine glands, that's most of them, and they kick in to cool you off when you're hot, which means that heat, physical exertion, stress, and nervousness can stimulate them. Eccrine glands excrete water and salt, and for the record, have nothing to do with body odor. The apocrine glands, on the other hand, carry secretions of fat and proteins along with your sweat. Once this hits the exterior surface of your skin, those fats and proteins are a buffet for bacteria, which excrete, I think the technical term is stank. Antiperspirants have an active ingredient that gives them their sweat-blocking powers, usually an aluminum-based compound like aluminum chloride or aluminum chlorohydrate. When this stuff gets into the duct leading to an eccrine gland, aluminum ions enter the cells lining the walls of the duct. Water molecules pass into the cells with them. The cells around the duct begin to swell with the water, enough to squeeze the ducts closed. At that point, sweat can't get out, and you're stain-free for a while. But each cell can only draw in a certain amount of water, so eventually the concentrations of water outside and inside the cells reach equilibrium. When this happens, water inside the cell begins to pass back out of the cell through osmosis, and the swelling goes down, reopening the duct. This is why people have to reapply antiperspirant. Antiperspirants aren't perfect. Some studies have claimed a link with breast cancer, although for now that link remains inconclusive. There's another concern too. People without fully functioning kidneys should be wary of using antiperspirant. If you're not comfortable using antiperspirant, then no worries, just go for an aluminum-free deodorant. It won't stop the sweat, but it will knock out that odor. So thanks for tuning in. Do you feel like you sweat more than average? What do you think about antiperspirants? Let us know in the comments. And as always, you can check us out on our website, which is brainstuffshow.com.